minutes after a second burnish. I'm going to do one more at least, because the edges are a little lighter and I'd like someone to put some dye on it this time. And I'll dye burnish them. But it's looking pretty good. Everything seems to fit nice. Closes good. Where did I do that? I screwed up my stitching in this corner here. You can probably see it. Bad me. I was rushing through trying to get my stitch holes in while I was on video, and that's when I decided, yeah, you don't have to watch me anymore. So I screwed that up. But it's not so bad. I wouldn't even have noticed it if I wasn't doing the stitching. So there we go. We got holds a pen. A little tight, but it'll loosen up. Holds it perfect. And we can put our field notes book right in there. Close it up. And it leaves plenty of room for you know, cards or what have you that you're going to put in there. The what have yous. It should work out pretty well. I'm pleased with it. Like I said, I'll try to leave the dimensions down at the bottom. I know that we cut the pattern together, so you should have them, but I'll try to leave them at the bottom at least of the first video where I did the pattern. And there you go. Field notes book, all ready to go. Head out the door. And you can start making your notes, and your pen is going to be right there. I buy a lot of these pens, these little big click sticks. I like them. I've got a couple in my bag that I use for school. Someday I'll show that, because that's a messenger bag that I made too. So anyway, that's going to be it for today, for this video. Like I said, I'm just going to give it another burnish and dye burnish it this time. Maybe I'll show a little bit of that, but it'll darken up the edges a bit. You can kind of see how the edges are a little lighter. You know, I decided I liked how these edges looked, so I'm not going to do the edge paint. But I have a wallet here that I'm going to edge paint. One little thing I wanted to mention is when you got a bend like that, after you bend it, go in there with your burnishing and just burnish around the corner. It just makes the leather behave a little bit better when it's closed, and it looks better. It doesn't get bunched up and stuff.